Probably 99.9% of people may not know what Namu Amidabutsu is in its deepest sense, which is basically throwing out of who you are, the ego and everything, and let Amida Buddha or the law of universe to take place. So it's very much like a samadhi state, but the term Amida Buddha, as you utter, say, or in mind, may switch your mind occupied in certain things to let go of it. Therefore, it's like a trigger, anchoring process to be open-minded, essentially being compassionate and insightful if we let the mind to be out of the constraint.